Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha and Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu paid a visit to Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu and demanded their share in the legacy of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They were demanding a share out of the land of Fadak and the wealth of Khaybar. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, then he narrated the hadith like the previous hadith. However, it says, then Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu got up and he narrated the excellence of Hazrat Abu Bakr's merits, his superiority and his embracing Islam early. He then came close to Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu and swore an oath of allegiance to him. The Muslims whereupon attended to Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu and said, you have done something good and appropriate. And when Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu adopted the proper course of action, the people again developed close affinity with him. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4556.